Right now, we are in our second week of competition here at Thunderbird Show Park. For our May tournament, which is one of our biggest tournaments throughout the year, it's where we're hosting 5-star show jumping, highest caliber of international horses and riders. So we were looking at closer to 1,000 horses on site, tons of people coming with it. One of the most special things about T-Bird is that we see so many people year after year, show after show. And one of the things that we always focus on year after year, what's new and improved at T-Bird this year. Fobi and the things that they can offer us and offer our customers is just such a neat thing that I think we really never even thought was possible or was an option for us.
We're providing the digital credentials for all of the riders and trainers and media and sponsors and attendees here.
Welcoming guests in. Before it was a bumbly kind of mess. Everybody has a handheld now. So they just hold it up and it's just so slick at the front entrance.
For me personally, I would always take my pass off. Being in the hunter ring quite often, I didn't like that it was bouncing around. It's just a much easier system, more convenient.
Being able to create a connected environment provides, of course, great utility and value to all stakeholders, and whether it's the digital access and security as you come through the gate here, or it's your ticket and show schedule and order of go and promotions and vouchers and sweepstakes and wayfinding and all of these things. It's building that immersive engagement.
We already have done one push out and it goes to every single person, and the feedback was phenomenal because communication is so key on a park that's 100 acres.
I think a huge opportunity for us, which we've never had any access to before, to have a whole new element of marketing. And that will benefit not only the show park itself, but the sponsors who make what we do possible.
This partnership will enable Thunderbird Show Park to transcend the world of equine and show experience, providing the first of kind when it comes to truly immersive, interactive, digital first experience.